when she's ready to recall. Now, drop your stick, grab that correction line underneath him.
Okay, turn the other way, Mike. Sorry. Okay. Roll, get in the middle. Shorten up on your line just a little bit.
He's anticipating it.
We got a picture of line.
Go to the dog, go to the dog. Walk backwards, walk backwards. There you go.
All right. When you're ready, roll, blow your whistle. He's going to help. Like, you just try and stay.
Grab your line.
Facing this
Get
way.
your line of range.
Right.
That way, as he can come out and go with you. Roll, blow your whistle. You're going to pop him out if he doesn't help. Pull him, pull him.
Hey! Hey!
Grab your line, roll. Okay, let's do one more redirect when you're ready.
Good.
Do an out and guard on this one.
Yeah. You're
All
going
right,
to grab that line.
Tangled up.
Now, give your out and guard command this time.
No whistle.
And then no whistle, and we'll give a bite reward. You keep him in position with that correction line. Bite. Good. One more time. Out. Bite. Good. This time, let loose and then heel him away.
Okay, grab your line. If you can, try and keep it in your hand. Okay. All right, you guys get untangled.
Mine tank.
Yeah, just walk backwards. Keep him moving. Keep him moving.
All
right.
Roll, get in the middle.
Nice. Good. Good. Fix your line. Fix your line. Fix your line.
Lay it down. Lay it down. Just lay it.
All right, you grab the correction line, right?
Go boy. Yeah, go boy. Go boy.
Good. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Don't stand still. Good. Get your line. Oh, it fell off. Quick. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there.
Fell off.
Just hook it on his e-collar.
Okay.
Hook the line on his e-collar. There you go. Keep moving. Keep moving. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep walking. Walking. All right. Go back the other way. There you go. All right. Back to you. And we'll do an out and guard and a rebite on you. Redirect. Good. Come up. Get your line. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. All right. Good. Put a little tension on that line. Pull tight. Pull tight. Pull tight. Pull tight. Pull tight. Now loose. Walk backwards. There you go. Walk backwards. Grab his. Grab this line. Grab that one. Yeah. So you can keep him in place. You just do an out and guard. No whistle. Out and guard. Rebite.
Distance.
Hands up. Out and guard. When you rebite, don't do this. Good.
Watch the
And then she'll come up heel more.
He's doing it right now.
Heel more.
It's good.
Hey, you said you were working. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good, good.
Now switch up, do the same thing, and then we'll do the more passive one. We'll do it again. This time he's going to be the friendly guy, so turn around and face. Still, huh?
Hey, roll.
Again, do your out. Give Give him a rebite. He's clean. There you go. One more time. Out and a rebite.
Let loose!
Now I understand what they were talking about on the message board, that she had the best out of the competition.
I remember that.
We were going, what did she say? What did she say?
Let loose!
Good. Rebite, rebite.
Yeah, she tries to yell louder and it just gets higher pitched.
Let loose!
But Clint works good for her.
Yeah, he does.
Can we hear the second half of the story now?
What's that? Oh, the car?
One more. Now we're going to do the subtle one from right front.
Hey, how are you? You're a pretty dog. Good to see you. Have a good one.
Hey, Dave.
Hey!
Let loose! Let loose!
Peel away. I need to talk. You doing the friendly greeting?
Hey, I broke down up the road. Can I borrow your cell phone?
I don't think so.
No, come on. Let me borrow your cell phone, please.
You look a little creepy.
Oh, creepy.
That is the best conversation I've ever heard.
Creepy to me.
What's so creepy to me?
Talk to strangers.
Let's do a couple of outs and rebite. Rebite. Good.
Let loose!
Are you correcting him at all on those outs?
No!
Good. One more.
Let loose! Let loose!
Peel him away? Okay. One more. Just go ahead and out and peel him away.
He's just getting all those extra bites so we can hear you say let loose another time.